Look at Toby, sound asleep. Hey, baby? Sunday afternoon. Got your babies with you. You being a good boy? You wake Mommy up in the morning. Mommy's waiting to go back to work again. Good boy. Would you go? Okay. You sleep with your babies. He likes to sleep with his toy. Being a good boy, he's having his little Sunday afternoon shoes. Speaking of, they got clothes all ready for work and then no work. This is crazy. Oh. Make it quick. I was gonna wear this to work. Got that at Giant Tiger last year. Hang on. I can get a better view of it. Oh, God. Bunched up. Tweety bird. Found this at Giant Tiger last year. It was cheap, $10. I thought a putty tat. Hey? Oh, you waking up from your nap? You slept for hours. You woke Mommy up early at 10 o'clock. You got fed. You got your treats. Hey? Big yawn. Good boy. He's had his little snooze. Yeah, I was hoping there'd be work this weekend. Maybe it'll be next week. My work is seasonal. Oh, something I found in the laundry room. I'm going to give them to someone. Let me get them out of here. Nice running shoes. Brand new, never worn. I'm going to give them to my mommy. They're men's size 7. They're good looking. They're Adidas. Regular $74. I don't know who left them there. Somebody left them in the laundry room. Nice running shoes, brand new.